Hello guys, welcome back to CR Applications. This is the first set of videos of the latest thing we got going on. It's just going to consist of us making weekly content over the things that we did during the week. It's meant to be more of a raw version of all the engineering that goes into our major projects. This week's video consists of me redesigning the drone into the best design yet. Let's go ahead and open up Fusion 360. So first, I started by making the holes over the motor will be mounted onto the arms. Then, I made the shaft of the arm. I decided to make it 85mm because that would give just about the right amount of clearance between the propellers and the frame. Then I went ahead and made 2 holes in the arm so that I can fit 2 M3 screws in them. I now extruded it, and I kept in mind that I can't make it too thick, or else it will be too heavy. So I finally settled for 3.5mm. Once I 3D print it, I don't want it to be super sharp. That's why I'm adding some fillets to smooth it up a little bit. Let's make sure everything's aligned. Okay, it is. Let's clean it up a little bit. Now let's extrude this to about the same thickness as the arms, which is about 3.5mm. And also, let's make the holes. Perfect. It's time to assemble it all. Let's put the arms and the heart together. The holes are aligned? Perfect. Looks like we're good. Let's finish up getting the rest of the arms together. Looking nice. Okay, let's go ahead and start 3D printing it. Alright, if you want to see the actual thing though, that will be in a later video. If you don't want to miss how this turned out, subscribe so you can get a notification as soon as it's posted. Also, before I go guys, check out our latest apps on our website in the link in the description. It will look something like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.